Welcome back to Better Truck Week.
Expensive truck week slash Abby's birthday week truck.
This one's heavy. There's not even any batteries in here right now. This is the Losi DBXLE-E.
The original, the OG.
Yeah, and we got ours for such a sweet deal. Remember, we told you guys about that. If you're subscribed to the channel, hit the notification bell. You will know when we find sweet deals. As soon as we find out, you guys know too. So anyway.
Are you getting a workout in?
Yeah, I mean, really, but we've been remodeling the kitchen, so I'm just tired and sore. Today we're gonna do a speed test of this. Guys, it's an older vehicle. It's probably been done, but haven't watched any videos on it. This is just our fun with this vehicle. That's what our channel's all about.
I think it's massive.
Oh, it's huge. And the motor in here is insane. We did an unboxing of this. If you guys want to see a little bit more up close and stuff, shots. Actually, you're probably getting closer shots now because the unboxing was just the stationary shot. This is just a sweet, sweet vehicle. This is our third, fifth scale now. We have the Creighton 8S and the X-Max, and we just want to have some fun with this. We're going to do a speed test with it today, and then in the near future you guys are going to see it bashing and driving at an actual racetrack, so that will be amazingly fun. We want to take advantage of that space while it's still off season.
You guys leave your comments below with how fast you think the Losi is going to go.
Now this is no toy. It is running on 8 cells of juice. Guys, we have 2 of these Spectrum Smart batteries. I've talked so much about these things. They are amazing. It is not just another LiPo out there. These things are doing things that other LiPos would dream about, okay? I am slowly replacing all of my batteries with these because it's just a no-brainer. These are insanely safe. They take care of themselves. Their life will outlive any other LiPo that I've ever had. If you need to know more about these, we'll have them linked in the description box below. You can charge them on regular chargers. Whatever dummy charger you have now, keep using it. Especially if it's one that we recommended. Keep using it. But when the day comes that you want to upgrade your charger and literally press one button to charge all your batteries, let me know. I'll steer you in the right direction. If you've ever got questions about batteries and stuff, hit us in the comments below. I love taking the time to help answer questions and just recommend things too, especially if you're new and getting started. It can be very overwhelming. These things make it easier and safer, so keep that in mind, okay? I want you guys to know about these. It's not just some stupid another brand of battery. These things are groundbreaking. So without further ado, let's put these in this Losi and rip it up and down this crazy wide open asphalt parking lot and have some fun. This is just too beautiful not to share with you guys. I'm sorry that this one isn't available, but the upgraded version is. So what we'll do is link that below for you. But isn't this amazing? Just a beautiful setup. Is the radio on it?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. What did you held it, didn't you?
I tried both ways, I thought.
Yeah, you just short press it.
No beeps?
It did. It was quiet.
I was waiting for 8 fun beeps.
Okay, we're powered on. Let's look at the light bar.
Nice.
That
is
is
so bright.
One of the most epic looking light bars with all those bolts in there.
Like, look at it
cool.
in the sun. This is bright afternoon sun.
It's a bright day. It's a little cold today. That's why Abby's all cold and sniffling and bundled up and not being in front of the camera right now. But man, it is just sweet.
Well, I was going to let you drive it first, but after that little not being in front of the camera much, I guess I better be in front of the camera and drive it first.
Abby, I got the batteries charged. I got it out here. Got everything powered on.
It's my birthday.
Your birthday thing is the Losi, the little short course
Yeah,
truck.
that's a Losi.
The short course truck.
That's what's the short course truck called, Mr. I'm terrible with names.
Can't stand you. I had to go into the store and buy the tape because we've lost our roll of tape. Luckily, it was just right there. But good, you know, find electrical tape in a store you've never been in before. It's like a needle in a haystack. I found the baby chicks faster than I did. Do you guys live in an area where you can walk into basically a Walmart and buy baby chicks in a Walmart? That's where we live.
It's not a Walmart, it's a Rural King.
But I said it's basically a Walmart.
It's on 9.
I don't think that matters.
Close enough.
Yeah. I think it'll go faster than 9. Okay, we have literally never hit power juice. Look, like it doesn't even fit in frame hardly. Like, this is huge. Does it have speeds? That's just one
No.
speed.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Active vehicle controls on about 50% or so. And you're just gonna juice it, aren't you? We're just gonna see how fast she goes. Oh, stay on the road. That light bar just looks awesome.
Yeah,
Helps you see it from farther away. Okay, your camera battery's almost dead, so let's go. Nice. I love giant RCs. Once you've driven a 5th scale, it makes like all 10th scales just seem so small, even 8th scales. Abby hit the pot of water. Yeah! One more, Abby, one more. What do you think of it?
It's fun. It's way quieter than I thought.
It is quiet, isn't it? The Creighton is super loud, so is the X-Max. Go, go. Chunga!
I say it's quieter with like earmuffs on.
You do have earmuffs on. Okay, let's see how fast. You are off-roading.
I looked away.
Okay, just bring it in and then I want to see if I can beat you. Remember, this is on 8S power and it looks amazing. Looks amazing. We hit, for something this big, that's fast, 71 kilometers an hour. Well,
Not the fastest vehicle on our channel. Still pretty fast for how heavy it is and the size.
Oh, yeah.
It's massive. Oh no, I got it muddy.
yeah, you hit the water and the grass and dirt. Here, okay,
All right,
my
I'll
turn.
share. Go, 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 go. We're losing
Ooh,
battery.
We need an RC Sailor sticker on there.
Yeah.
After today, it's earned it. This is sweet. Whoa.
What are you doing, wild thing?
At full throttle, that thing just feels so powerful.
Who drove it better? Comment below.
Here we go. Oh, I just love this hobby. Love this hobby. Okay, I don't think I beat you on speed,
No,
but
I doubt it.
this thing is a beast. It
You
looks so
went
good.
71.
Why'd you kick it? Why'd
'Cause
you kick it?
I didn't kick it. I would put my foot up so you wouldn't run over me because you have done that in the past.
Yeah, I have.
Sir.
71 kilometers an hour for something this huge and heavy is amazing. Guys, I'm just excited to take this thing bashing. It's so beautiful. Now, some people don't love the Desert Buggy style of vehicle, but I do. It's one of my favorites. I absolutely love the look of this thing. And I just can't wait to see what it can do at the track. The motor on this is just so huge. It is literally like a soup can. I mean, it is massive. I just want to keep driving it, but I think more importantly, I want to take it and bash it now because we know how fast it can go. I love doing these speed tests because it's almost like a quick little training session for us. You know, we get a little feel of how it drives in an open
break
area
it in
before we actually take it out.
That's awesome.
You know what? Like I said, I want to talk to you guys in the comments below. If you've got battery questions or whatever, I'm always here for you. But before we go, I think that this
Power
has
patch?
earned a power patch.
Well, now we have to do the speed test again.
No.
It's supposed to make it go faster.
It does make
more
it go
power.
faster, Abby. Scientifically proven. Okay, the motor's on this side. So we're going to put the power patch right back here
Power
on the
patch.
side of the motor.
There's grass on the power.
Remember, it uses Funtonium, right, to help it run faster. So if you're a non-believer of the RC Sailors and Funtonium, then it's not going to run any faster. It'll actually make it go slower. So the haters out there, you're not going to want to buy these. But to those of you that love what we do and you just love life and the hobby, you need a power patch or two. That looks good. Should we put a biplane on the hood? Look at this. Would it look amazing?
We need to make a new sticker of us in a car.
I like the biplane. It looks really good on there, but we might wait and it'll earn its wings at the track, okay? So if you guys want to see if it will earn its wings or not, stay tuned because we're going to go bash this at the track really soon. Guys, if you like life and you just like the hobby and you enjoy the fun factor of it all, supporting us on Patreon is one of the best ways to go about it. It helps us keep the content rolling and keep the lights on too. And we have just the best support team out there. As these names roll by, you'll see some that you probably know by now because they've been long-term supporters. We can't thank you guys enough. And before you click away, because I know this was a short video, we've got one right here for you as the credits go by, the cartoons pop up on screen. This is a video we'd love you to check out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in that video.
Bye!